I'll be showing you how to do the left and right edit, which is a new trend that is going on TikTok. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on Capcut. So in order to do this, you need to ensure that your Capcut is the latest version. So that is version 6.20. Now let's go back. Then you'd need to select new project. And for this, you'd need 21 photos. So you'd need to select 21 photos to do this trend. So let me actually go ahead and select. All right, so now that you have your photos selected, I'm going to be providing you with the duration for each photo to match the lyrics. Also, you need to set the format to 4:3 aspect ratio and resize your images. All right, so now that you have resized all your image to the 4:3 aspect ratio, as I've stated, I'm going to actually put the duration of each image in the video's description or pin the comment. So I'm going to do that step and then I'm going to add the audio. Okay, so after you have trimmed the clips to the desired time, you could go ahead and add the audio. And as I've said, I'm going to provide the audio in the video's description. You can go ahead and delete the excess of the audio and you should be good. So the last thing to do now is to add the text to the images, and this part I'm going to speed through. Now, as I've stated, what you'd need to do is to actually update your Capcut in order to have this feature. It is in the text tool and you'd need to have the draw option. Now you need to update your Capcut in order to be able to access this feature. As you can see, we have various brushes we could use to actually draw on our images and texture that we would use to give a little bit of decoration to our images. So go ahead and put your text on the images for the various song lyrics. So I'm going to do that and then I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so well, I'm not quite finished, but I just stopped the tutorial here. You get the gif. You'd basically just continue the text and match it to each of the clip. As you can see here, I was aligning quite a few, and this is definitely not my best work. This is just for demonstration purposes. So you'd simply just continue and match the text, and I'll also provide in the video's description and a pin comment the text and the duration that each text should be. So that is it. I hope this was helpful in getting you to do the left and right TikTok edit in Capcut. So thank you for watching. Hacker 7 out.